Hi everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from Charlotte's House, and today I am sharing a $5 Goodwill spring makeover. Stay tuned. I am joining lots of other YouTubers. We have all gone out to Goodwill. We have found something for $5 or less, and we are going to do something with our item that will be right in line with spring. I found this bowl, and I have some really colorful plans for it. My goal for this is to replicate one of my favorite fabrics, this Chiang Mai Dragon from Schumacher. This fabric is pricey, so obviously I'm not going to get the fabric itself, but I thought that maybe I could eyeball it and somehow copy that pattern onto the outside. Wish me luck. I grabbed the pattern online and I printed it out. And then I went and I played around with enlarging it. This is obviously too detailed for me to copy. And 300% was about the right scale for the bowl. Unfortunately, when I enlarged it, the printout was really grainy and gray and I lost a lot of the detail. So I'm actually working off of my original image, and then I've isolated what strip of the pattern I'm going to transfer by hand onto the side of the bowl. So essentially, if I copy this piece of the pattern onto the side of the bowl, that's gonna be 300% enlargement. I've been working on this bowl for a little bit, and you can see that the pencil lines, I think, will be enough of a guideline for me to paint. I suspect any acrylic craft paint will work. I'm using this Americana multi-surface satin paint. It works well on a variety of surfaces. It comes in all sorts of colors. I did mix my paint a little bit, but not too much. So I've gone ahead and I finished painting all around my bowl. I don't know that anyone would recognize this as the fabric, but I actually like the way it looks just as it is, so I don't know that that's a mistake. I didn't paint the background a light blue like the fabric has. I definitely looked to the fabric for the color palette, so I think that is really pretty, and I like the way that works together. But maybe this is just a happy accident. It looks like most of the paint is dry, so I'm gonna go back over with some of these paint pens. I think it'll give it a little bit more detail, and I'm excited to see whether that pulls out the pattern a little bit more. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Here's the finished planter. I love it. I don't know that you would get that it's the Chiang Mai Dragon fabric, but I love the way the colors came together. I did go back and add some details with my paint pen, and I love the sort of layer that adds to this piece. And for a couple hours of work, $5 at Goodwill, I'd say this is a really great update, and I love it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a great day, everyone. Is there ever not a dog barking in the background of my videos? I mean, he's just out there. All he does is bark.